Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download all photos from Facebook in update method. Friend, if you want to delete your account or if you want to store your all Facebook photos from your account, then you need to download your all photos from Facebook. In our early video I have shown you how to download any data from Facebook. Here I will show you how to download all photos from Facebook. Stay tuned to learn. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. To download all photos from Facebook, let's go to our Facebook account. From the drop down menu, select settings and then tap settings. On the left side menu, here you will find your Facebook information. You can view or download your information and delete your account at any time if you want. Here you can see there is no option to download all photos. Let's check download your information. There is no option to download your photos. You can see here is messages, post, saved item collection, pages, polls, events, Facebook games, your places, payments, marketplace, and all other different categories of your information. But there is no option to download your photos. Even you can download your friends and followers also. Then what to do? Here is a solution. Go to the home page of Facebook and then click on your profile. On your profile, tap on select all photos. Then click on album. Here you will find all of your photos which you have uploaded, cover photo by others. To download the photos, all you have to do is just click on the three dot and click on download album, and it will download the start process. It may take a few minutes for your photos to be ready to download. Facebook will notify you when it will ready. Tap continue. Here you can see we have a new notification. Our file is ready. For security reason, here you have to put your Facebook password to download the files of photos. I am inputting my own password and then tap continue. Here you can see the album has been downloaded. Let's open this. Extract this, and here is the file. These are the all photos of my Facebook cover photo. If you want to download more album, then just click on the three dot, and click download album. It will take some time to get ready and you will be informed with a notification like this. Then click on the notification and your file will be downloaded. By this way you can download all your Facebook photos on your computer. If you are using an Android or iPhone, then with the same process you can download all of your photos from Facebook. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more future videos. Thanks for watching.